Hello friend, welcome back. In this video, I will show you where you can download OpenCart installation file. For downloading the OpenCart installation file, you have to go to the OpenCart official website, that is opencart.com, and here you can see that is OpenCart official website. And as I told you, OpenCart is a free PHP based e-commerce platform, and here you can see there is a features. You can find out the demos, the marketplace. So if you select on the marketplace, and in the marketplace you can see you can find a lot of the extension as per your demand, and this extension actually makes your site so much enriched. So I will show you that things with live example, how you can actually install this extension and how you can add the things in your site and make your site so much enriched. So I will show you with the live example. You can find out some of the commercial, then some of the also the free, and you can see there is also the categorize what kinds of extension or module you want. You can categorize that things on here. You can define that things with the version, which version you are using. Okay, so I'll show you that things how you can actually download some of the modules from here and how you can install that things in your store. So that is actually the pretty much important things. There is a marketplace, and you can also find out some of the resources, like there is a community forum. You can find out a lot of the articles is related with the OpenCart problem, and there is also the documentation. So they have a lot of the resources you can find out from here. But now if you want to download the OpenCart, then you have to go to the resources and there is a download button. And you can also find out, like, they have another option, there is the download. So click on the download. So for now, there is latest version is v30. Okay, so if you want to find out the previous releases, click on the previous releases. And in the previous releases, you can see there is the 3.3 beta version is last release date is July 27. Okay, so there is actually things that is a 3.2, and there is all the version you can find out from here. Okay, so they have also the oldest version on here. For now it's okay with me, but now I just want to download this 3.2. so that is actually the latest version, and there is actually the beta version. So for now I am not using this beta version, so better I am using this one. Okay, so if you want to download this one, it's pretty much easy. Here is the button, click on the download, and here you can see your OpenCart is now downloading, and that is 15.8 megabyte file, so it may take a little bit time for downloading, so you have to wait for it. So our download is complete, and now I just add the things in our exercise file, and in the exercise file I just added the things on here. So we will create our project from very beginning. So step by step we will create fully professional e-commerce website with OpenCart. So in the next video I will start a new session. It's about how you can install OpenCart and OpenCart theme in your web server. So you already download that our OpenCart file, that is 3.2, and we save that things in our exercise file. So I will share that things with you. So thank you for watching this video. Keep learning.